Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today we're drawing Lucas Sinclair from Stranger Things, but in our fun, retro cartoon style inspired by vintage animation and the game Cuphead. If you're new around here, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. It really helps the channel grow and keeps our cartoon adventures going. Grab your pencils, get comfy, and let's bring Lucas to life with a big, confident smile. Let's start with the large eyes, big, rounded, and full of joyful energy. If any part feels tricky, pause the video and take your time. Drawing should always be fun and relaxing. Add the eyelashes, simple and curved, enhancing the expression. Lucas Sinclair is played by actor Caleb McLaughlin. Lucas is one of the original members of the main friend group. He's known for being practical, brave, and sometimes the most cautious of the group. Lucas often takes on the role of strategist during dangerous situations. Draw the round nose. Later, we'll color it pink for a fun cartoon touch. Sketch the cheeks, full and puffy, to emphasize the smile. Now draw the big open mouth, wide and happy, showing that iconic cheerful expression. Add the tongue inside the mouth, simple and rounded. Shape the head connecting directly into the torso with no visible neck, just like classic rubber hose cartoons. The show takes place in the fictional town of Hawkins, Indiana. Stranger Things was created by the Duffer Brothers. The series is heavily inspired by 1980s pop culture. Draw the camo-style headband across the forehead, adding a fun and adventurous detail. Lucas has a strong relationship with Max Mayfield in later seasons. His signature weapon is a slingshot, which he uses throughout the series. Add the hair, compact and rounded, sitting neatly above the headband. If you're enjoying this drawing, don't forget to leave a like and share this video with your friends. Also, check out our full Stranger Things playlist. Just click the card above. And tell me in the comments, which character should we draw next in retro cartoon style? Draw the open jacket with a shirt underneath, forming a rounded cartoon body. The group frequently plays Dungeons and Dragons together. Many creatures in the show are named after D&D monsters. Lucas is often the voice of reason in the group. His character shows strong growth and maturity over the seasons. Sketch the left arm in rubber hose style, curving smoothly like a C. Draw the left hand, large and gloved in retro cartoon style, closed and resting on the hip.
Repeat the same for the right arm and hand, mirroring the confident pose. The upside down is a dark parallel version of Hawkins. Draw the shorts, simple and slightly loose. Sketch the legs in rubber hose style, thin and flexible. Draw one sneaker, big, rounded, and exaggerated. Friendship and teamwork are central themes in the series. Lucas represents courage, loyalty, and determination. Add the second sneaker, matching the same playful proportions. Draw the backpack and its straps over the shoulders, completing the explorer look. Add the slingshot hanging from the backpack, a signature accessory of Lucas. Make sure it looks nice and cartoonish, leaving the fork wide and the rubber band hanging down. For colors, use tones inspired by his Season 1 outfit, earthy reds, blues, and greens, but feel free to color your drawing however you like. And here's our Lucas, full of charm, confidence, and retro cartoon energy. I hope you had fun and were inspired. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.